Hey guys, welcome to Blue Collection. I just got two steelbooks from the Disney Pixar movie The Incredibles. The one on the left is an import from Germany and the one on my right is an import from Canada. This one has the text in German, the sticker is removable, it's a one disc only, and it is region free. And it seems to be just glossy, very colorful and glossy. And this one is an import from Canada. Obviously the text is in English. This is a 4-disc and also region free. Just one thing you should know, this one from Germany, it is in fact a steelbook, but this one from Canada, although it's a lot better and prettier, is something else. It's called Viva Metal Box. But this one is just plain colorful and glossy, and this one has all the letters and the family embossed, so it's a lot cooler. Alright, so let's open the German one first so I can show you the artwork. So like I said, the sticker is removable. Here's just a very colorful picture of Bob. And unfortunately the text is all in German, but it is region free. This is the rewards code for Germany, so only works in Germany. Here's just a flyer. So here it is, no artwork inside and one disc only. It says right there once again, region free, ABC. Now let's take a look at the Canadian import, Canadian version. Okay, so here we have the heavy-duty cardboard. This is the digital copy. Let's see here. Yep, there's just one disc in here, so the digital copy is on the side. So here we should have just 3 discs. So let's take a look here. 1, 2, and 3. Yes, this is the code for the Disney movie rewards. This is the Blu-ray region free right there. This is the feature movie. This is the bonus material also in region free. And this is the DVD region 1. So that's pretty cool because we have 3 different designs on the Blu-rays and on the DVD. So let me show you here in the back. Oh, fantastic. We have the entire family in the back without the sticker, so it looks much better. And obviously there's no doubt about it, this one is a lot better than the German one. Much better presentation on the outside and on the inside. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video, hope you liked it, and click here if you want to see the reviews for Toy Story 1, 2 and 3 in Steelbook. Thanks again and see you next time.